Welcome to Tin Long Disco Club.
And here we have your ART-TecH 450. Carbon fiber tail with hard aluminum durable body. Your aerobatic canopy and your fiberglass blades also. The system of the back rotor is by belt, and here is your 6-channel remote, your manual, CD for your computer, your USB cable so you can practice, your Li-Po battery, your charger and your balance charger for your battery. This Charge 450 is 64 millimeters long, 25.5 inches, is 228 millimeters tall, 9 inches. The diameter of the main rotor is 700 millimeters and the tail rotor is 154 millimeters. It weighs 780 grams. The gyro is an ATEG202. .35 megahertz. Transmitter. Your brushless motor is the HL2215 and your speed controller is 40A. This is your speed controller over there. It has 4 9-gram servos and is ready to fly. So here is, this is all you get with your ART-TecH 450 model. Very good investment for your entertainment.
You cannot escape your destiny.